Hello to everyone, myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Manembadi. Guys, today I would like to report very important topic from our subject strategic management, that is strategic decision making and process of strategic decision making. Strategic decision making. The term strategic decision making refers to the selection of useful strategies to be implemented in the organization to achieve the objectives of the organization. Yes, guys, strategic decision making refers to selecting the best strategies to implement in the organization to achieve the objectives, that is target of the organization. Guys, I already told you planning anyone can do, but implementation of planning is very important point. That is what strategic decision making says. After planning, you need to select the best plan. You can do 3 planning, 4 planning, 5 planning to achieve organizational goal. From 3 plans, 4 plans, 5 plans, you need to select the best plan and you need to implement it and you need to achieve the organizational goals. It looks easy, but it is not an easy task, guys. Decision making is the backbone of any organizational objectives. Proper planning is the backbone of any organizational objectives achievement. So for that, you need to be very careful. So you cannot take decisions all of a sudden blindly. No. There are certain steps, certain process for decision making also. Let's discuss it. Process of strategic decision making. The process are point number one, problem awareness, problem diagnosis, development of solutions, selection of solutions, implementation of solutions. These are the 5 points for any decision making process. Guys, point number one, problem awareness. Problem awareness is the process of strategic decision making. Whenever the problem arises, then the strategic manager needs to take suitable decision to find solutions for the problems. Yes, guys, once you identify your problem, you already identified your solutions. Because at present, in today's world, identification of problem is not very easy task. Solutions, you can say, sir, for this problem we can do this, for that problem we can do that things, but what is the problem? That is what the problem here, guys. So knowing the problem is very difficult task. Why our company is not getting profits, sir? There cannot be one reason, 4 reasons, 5 reasons, but what is the actual reason? That is what the important point. So problem awareness. First, you need to identify what is the problem company is facing right now. Why our company is not getting first place in the market? Why our company is not achieving its objectives? So for everything, there may be problems. 1 problem, 2 problem, 3 problem, 4 problem. But what is the major problem, actual problem? That you have to identify. So in decision making, once you know what is the problem, you can easily take decisions towards it. If you don't know the problem, then you cannot make decision at all. So that is what problem knowing, problem awareness is the first process of strategic decision making. Point number 2, problem diagnosis. After identifying the problem, the next step is problem diagnosis. Under this process, the strategic manager gets the opinion of the senior manager, executives, and other managers about the solution of the problem. Yes, guys, once problem is identified, okay, sir, this is the problem. Okay, fine. But you need to do diagnosis. You need to diagnose your problem. You need to consult your problem with the senior managers, managing directors, board of directors, or whoever it may be in the organization. You need to consult proper solutions with respect to that problem with the top level management. So this consultation process is not an easy task. Here you are deciding what has to be done in future. So problem diagnosis is the second important process of strategic decision making. Next, the development of solution. Under this process, the strategic manager should develop various solutions to a problem. He should discuss the solutions of the problems with top level management of the organization. Yes, guys. Once problem identified, diagnosed, point number 3 is development of solution. Sir, this is the problem. We can do this, sir. We can do that, sir. We can do this, sir. We can do that, sir. You need to consult with them. For example, the problem is customer is not happy with the price of your product, then it is not like that you can blindly fix the price of the product. Sir, 100 rupees is our product, customer is not able to give 100 rupees and get our product, so we can make our product price 80 rupees or 70 rupees. No, it is not like that. You have to think about your variable cost, fixed cost, and so on, then only you can fix the product price. So you need to develop the solutions. Developing solution is different, selecting the solution is different. Developing solution refers to 3-4 ideas or 5-6 ideas, even 10 ideas, 100 ideas you need to develop to sort out your actual problems. That is what the third stage of decision making process. And the next stage, very, very important stage, is the selection of solutions. Yes, after developing the solutions, you need to select a solution which solve your actual problems. Here, after developing the solutions of a problem, the next step is to select a best solution to the problem. This is very important process because it will lead to direct result of the organizational problem. Yes, guys. You need to select the best solution, best alternative. Then only you can be capable of coming over your hazards, or else it is very, very difficult process. So under strategic decision making process, development of solution is also important, but after developing your solutions, you need to select the best alternatives, best solutions to solve the problem. And next point, implementation of the solutions. Yes, guys, implementation of solutions is the last and important process of strategic decision making. Under this process, the selected solution is to be implemented. If the solution is genuine and unique, then the organization will have very good impact towards the organizational goals achievement. So genuine and unique alternatives must be selected and it must be implemented. Definitely it will lead to achievement of organizational objectives. If you don't do so, then it's quite difficult for the attainment of organizational problems. So guys, I would like to highlight again the process of strategic decision making. Point number 1, problem awareness, which you need to identify what actual problem is. Point number 2, problem diagnosis. You need to diagnose the problems. For that, you need to consult with the top level management. Point number 3, the development of solutions. Here you need to develop alternatives to solve the problem. Point number 4, the selection of solutions. Here you are selecting the best alternative. Only selection is done here. And last point, the implementation of solutions. Here you are practicing. Here you are implementing. Here you are taking actions about your selected alternatives. So these are the important points. So next thing we'll discuss in next class. Thank you guys. Wish you all the best.